Why invest in real estate? Real estate can be a great way to build wealth and diversify your investment portfolio. Here are a few reasons why you can invest in real estate. 1. Potential for appreciation. Real estate has historically appreciated over time, meaning that the value of the property tends to increase over the long term. 2. Income from rent. If you purchase rental property, you can generate rental income that can provide a constant stream of cash flow. This can be a great way to generate passive income and potentially build wealth over time. 3. Tax benefits. There are several tax benefits associated with owning real estate. For example, you can deduct the cost of mortgage interest, property taxes, and other expenses associated with owning and maintaining the property. 4. Inflation hedge. Real estate can be served as a hedge against inflation, as the value of the property may rise in line with inflation. This means that if prices in the economy are rising, the value of your real estate investment may also rise. 5. Diversification. Real estate can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. By investing in different types of real estate, such as residential, industrial, and commercial, you can spread your risk across multiple assets and potentially reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. Of course, investing in real estate also comes with its own set of risks and challenges. It's important to do your research and work with experienced professionals to help you make informed investment decisions. With these few points, I believe you can now see the reason why you should invest in real estate. Real estate can never be old-fashioned. No. Real estate can never be outdated. Real estate is a great way of acquiring wealth. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.
I go double my hustle, money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with probabafx. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and the day smarter. This now something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase and it no go stop. Probabafx robot stole the world.
Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he shop for you. Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he shop for you. He shop. Probabafx shop for you. He shop. Probabafx shop for you.